How's it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to pair your AirPods to your Android phone. Please keep in mind that in this video, I'm going to show you for all AirPods models, so normal AirPods, AirPods Pro, and AirPods Max as well. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start off with normal AirPods, and this will include AirPods 1, 2, and 3, and AirPods Pro and AirPods Pro 2. So all AirPods with this form factor, okay? So as you can see, if you flip your AirPods, you're gonna see right here a button. And this is not only a reset button, but also a pairing button, all right? We're gonna use that to connect to the Android phone. So what you're gonna do is actually open up the lid, go ahead here and tap and hold, press and hold. I'm gonna do it with you, right? So let's go ahead here and actually open up the Bluetooth settings. Go ahead here, pull down, and right here, you go ahead and press and hold your Bluetooth icon right here. So press and hold, and as you can see, it's gonna open up the Bluetooth settings. So you can leave your Android like this, and then we're gonna actually enter pairing mode on our AirPods, okay? So as I said, open up the lid, and then you're gonna actually press and hold the back button right here for 5 seconds. So press and hold now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are in pairing mode. As you can see, it's blinking white. And then all you have to do here is ask your Android phone to scan if it's not already. And there we go, we got here Levin's AirPods Pro. So this is the one, and all you have to do, of course, is tap and hold on it, is actually tap on it and then pair, okay? So pair, so your typical pairing process, and you're good to go. As you can see, connected, we've got here the indication for the volume, it's working, it's connected, it's paired, we're good to go, okay? So of course, from now on, you can just pick your AirPods, put them in your ears, and start using them as you would. You're done. Now, if you want to actually connect AirPods Max, the big headphones, it's the exact same process, but we don't have a back button, right? We're gonna use this button right here, this button that we use to cycle between transparency mode and noise cancellation and all that. So we're gonna press and hold it for 5 seconds as well, and it's gonna blink white the exact same way. So as you can see right here, we have this LED, right? I'm pressing right now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pretty much. Yep, it's blinking. I can let go. It's blinking white, as you can see. So then same thing, pairing mode, you go ahead on your Android phone, you scan, you connect, you're good to go. And so that's literally it. That's how you connect, how you pair your AirPods, any AirPods, to your Android phone. Super easy. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you on the next video as usual, guys. Bye-bye.